guys, welcome back to my channel. It is KYLIE on YouTube, and today we're going to be doing a KYLIE skin review. So I got the bundle in today. Looks like this, and I'm going to be using all of these products for 1 week. So first off, what I'm going to do is I just filmed a video, which is probably going to be the video that I have up before this one, and I just took my makeup off, and now I'm going to be using all these products. First, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the KYLIE Skin Foaming Face Wash. So it says apply to wet skin and gently massage in circular motions. When you take the lid off, it has like a little pump like this. And I'm going to take... Okay, so I'm just going to rub this on my face. This actually feels really nice. I'm not just saying that. It feels like really cool. Like not like cooling, but like, I don't know. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna wash it off with warm water. Okay, this is how I look after using the face wash. We're going to use the vanilla milk toner. Okay, next up we are going to be using the walnut face scrub. For this it says apply to wet skin and gently massage in circular motion. Take this much and I'm going to apply it onto my face. I think this might even be too much. Next I'm going to be using the face moisturizer, and it says apply to face and neck as desired. It has a little pump. Next, I'm just going to take the eye cream. I'm just going to put it under my eye. Next, I have the vitamin C serum, so I'm just going to take this. It has a little pump like this, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. Okay, and that is day 1 of using KYLIE Skin. So I'm here to talk about what happened with my week of using KYLIE Skin. So for day 1, as you saw in the clip before, I used all the products, and then some of the days, I think like one other day I used the face scrub, and then most of the days I just used the face wash, the moisturizer, and the eye cream and the vitamin C serum. So showing you all the products again individually. This is the face wash. This is the toner. This is the face scrub. This is the moisturizer. This is the eye cream. This is the serum. So overall, for using the products for a week, I like how they are, and they feel like refreshing after I use them. And it made my skin, since the day I started, it made it like a lot brighter and like shinier, and just made it look like way more moisturized. So yeah, overall I really like the products, and I would recommend for you to go out and buy them. So I don't know when they're being restocked, but they're on KYLIESkin.com. And the whole bundle for all of these products, there's 6 you get in it. It's $125, I think, $124 plus shipping. If you live in the US, the shipping is like $8.95 and plus tax if you have tax. But yeah, you get 6 products in the bundle, and individually they're all priced within the $20 to $30 range. I think the highest one's like $28, but I'm not sure. But yeah, I like the products, and I think you should go buy them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you will be buying KYLIE Skin. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Some photos that I took throughout the week of my face at the end of this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
That could be your private island on a different planet.